Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Excel product key. First, understand that for most modern versions, your key is linked to your Microsoft account, not a physical code you enter every time. If you bought a physical copy, check the packaging for a card. For pre-installed software on a new computer, the key is usually embedded and you won't need to find it. If you purchased Excel digitally, the easiest way to find your key is through your Microsoft account. Simply log into the Microsoft website and go to your Services and Subscriptions page. Here, you'll see a list of your purchased products, including Excel. Your product key or the option to install without one should be clearly visible, allowing you to manage your license effectively. For physical copies, your product key is typically on a sticker inside the box or on a dedicated key card. It's a 25-character alphanumeric code. If Excel came pre-installed on your computer, it usually activates automatically when you first open it, linking to your Microsoft account. If you ever need it, your computer manufacturer might be able to provide details. If you've exhausted these options and still can't find your key, don't worry. Microsoft support is your best resource. They can often help you recover or verify your license. Remember, if your Excel is already linked to your Microsoft account, reinstalling it usually won't require you to re-enter the key. It will simply reactivate upon signing in. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Staying hydrated is super important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.